Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare BMW's 5 Series and M340i. Let's dive into their core differences to help you decide which luxury sedan best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore how each model balances performance, comfort, and everyday practicality. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed decision about your next BMW. When it comes to performance, the M340i is known for its dynamic and agile driving experience, often feeling more like a sports sedan. It boasts a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 374 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. The 5 Series, while still powerful, prioritizes a more composed and luxurious ride, making it ideal for longer journeys. Its engine options include a 1998cc four-cylinder engine. Inside, the 5 Series offers a more spacious and opulent cabin, particularly noticeable in the rear legroom and overall trunk capacity, which is around 530 liters. It's designed for executive comfort. The M340i, on the other hand, features a more driver-centric cockpit with standard sport seats and a slightly more compact feel. Both models integrate high-quality materials and advanced infotainment systems, including large curved displays. Considering value, the M340i typically has a more accessible starting price, often around 75 lakh rupees, making it an attractive option for performance enthusiasts. The 5 Series, with a starting price around 35 lakh rupees, often includes more luxury features as standard, appealing to those seeking a premium experience. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize raw sportiness or refined luxury. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.